Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. I'm your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawar. So, open your Read Now book. Today, we are going to complete remaining half chapter of the reading and explanation of the chapter The Golden Touch. Dear students, before starting the reading of remaining chapter, we will throw a quick glance which we have read yesterday. Dear students, yesterday we have read the king Midas was the richest man, but he wanted more and more gold. One day, a fairy appeared and he wished that he want to be the happiest and richest man in the world. His wish was fulfilled by the fairy. When he woke up next morning, he touched his dress and it turned into golden robe. We can see in this picture also. And he also touched flowers in the garden and they became stiff golden rose. Marigold, which was his daughter, was upset. Why? Because when he saw flowers and his ball turned into gold. Dear students, now let's see what will happen in next story. So open page number 48 of your Read Now book. We have to start reading from this page. The flowers and the ball are now worth more than ever. You will soon learn to love them. Dear students, we have read in the previous lines that Marigold was very sad when he saw his ball changed into gold. So his father, King Midas, is replying, the flowers and the bowl are now more valuable and you will also learn to live with them. Dear students, what means valuable? Midas did not know that the golden touch was to bring him to great sorrow. As soon as he tried to eat, he found that every bit of food he touched was turned to gold. Dear students, sorrow means cause of sadness. Bit means small piece. Although means in fact. Students, Midas was unaware that this magic will bring grief for him. When he tried to eat, he found that every small piece of food that he touched turned into gold. Although the table was covered with the best of food, poor King Midas could not eat anything. Dear students, in this picture we can see, in fact the table was full of delicious food, but the poor Midas was unable to eat. When he touched the food turned into gold. And how can he eat gold? When Marigold finished her breakfast, she ran to her father. Very tenderly he touched her hair. To his horror, his little girl turned to gold. Finished means ended. Tenderly means very politely. Dearly means very much or heartily. When Marigold finished her breakfast, he ran to his father and very politely he touched her hair. And what happened? His little girl, Marigold, also turned into gold. His gentle Marigold, whom he loved so dearly, would never be able to speak to him again. How unhappy he was. Now he knew that gold was not the greatest thing in the world. Dear students, horror means strong feelings of fear. Now he was feeling very fear. Why? Because his soft Marigold turned into gold, whom he loved heartily. Now she will not be able to speak to him again. And now he realized that gold was not the greatest thing in the world, which he wished. Just then a golden sunbeam entered the room. On the sunbeam stood the same happy fairy. I have told you sunbeam means a ray of light, and who was standing on this ray of light? Same fairy who fulfilled the wish of King Midas. Dear students, in this picture we can see how his beautiful daughter Marigold turned into gold. Now she is not be able to speak again. Why are you so sad? She asked. Are you not pleased with your wish? Now Fairy is asking to him. Now why are you looking so sad? Are you not happy with your wish? No, cried Midas. Take away the golden touch. See what it has done to my lovely Marigold. Please give me little girl back to me. In these lines we can see how King Midas is begging to Fairy to take away this magic from him and give him to his lovely girl back. I am very glad that you have learned a lesson. Glad means happy. Learn means understand. Here learn means understand. Now Fairy is replying, I am very happy that you have understood now. There are many things better than gold. If you wish to rid yourself of the golden touch, bath yourself in the river. Afterwards, pour a little water from the river on everything you have turned to gold. Dear students, read mean to get free. Now, what the fairy said? Fairy said, I am feeling happy that you understood a lesson that there are many things better than gold in the world. And if you want to get free from this magic, you have to bath in the river. And after bathing, you have to pour. Pour means let flow. And after washing yourself, what he have to do, he had to pour a little water from the river on everything which he touched. King Midas hurried to the river and bathed himself. Hurried means move quickly. Bath means washed. He also carried a large jug of water from the river to the palace. Soon he had his darling Marigold again. How happy they were. After washing himself, he also brought a jug of water to the palace. Palace mean castle. So he bought a large jug of water to his castle also. Soon he will get his Marigold again and they will happy. Together they went into the garden and changed the hard golden flowers to lovely soft smelling blossoms. Dear students, together mean at the same time. Smelling blossoms mean scent of roses. At the same time, they went to the garden and they changed the golden flowers into soft, beautiful smell of roses by pouring water of the river. We can see in this picture also how the flowers are changing into from hard golden roses to soft beautiful roses. What a dreadful place this world would be if everything was made of gold, said King Midas. Yes, replied Marigold. Everything which soft and warm and beautiful would become hard and cold and ugly. Now the King Midas has realized how the world be more horrible place if everything was made of gold. Marigold replied, yes, everything which is soft, warm and beautiful will be changed in hard, cold and ugly. So, King Midas learnt a lesson. There are many things better than gold in the world.